You're watching a Love Jack video, where I show you how to create, share, and connect through art. This is Make Art to Mail. With just a few supplies and some time to sit and connect, I will show you how to create a card that is sure to make someone smile. We believe art has the power to make you happy. So let's make some today and send some happiness to your friend. Still working off this month's creative challenge, words, this card will be a hit for anyone who likes to collage. You will need your favorite magazine, scissors, and glue, plus some cardstock and an envelope. Last week's card, we started off with who you want to send a card to. This week, we're going to let inspiration strike us. Flip through your magazine and look for two things. First, a word or phrase that reminds you of a friend, and two, a pattern or background that you love. Sometimes something like this would be fun. I'm gonna rip out a couple things just so I have some options. Ooh, actually I love this one. Hey look, it's Lucy Halcomb. Huh, and smile and wave, fun. Okay, so far I have 1, 2, 3, 4 backgrounds to choose from. I might make a couple cards. Let's see what Oprah has to offer. Kind of like that one. It's kind of good too, do you see that? I am seeking, I am striving, I am in it with all my heart. Vincent van Gogh. Alright, so here are my options. I think I might make a couple, but right now I'm gonna use the checklist. Completely fun, no obligations, way to enjoy the country this month. Okay, obviously I don't need that line, so I'm cutting out the checklist. And I think I'm gonna put it on top of this. Once you have both of these, it's simple. First, glue down the background, trimming it to fit onto the cardstock. I'm laying the cardstock on top and just gonna kind of rough cut it out. Then I'm gonna glue it down. I like to put the glue on the card because I know the card's gonna be there. I'm not sure exactly where I'm gonna cut the magazine clipping. And then again, this doesn't have to be perfect, but I kind of want it to be straight. Press it down and then trim. Then cut out your word and glue it on top. Since it's so long, I'm gonna cut it up into 3. Now this card's for my friend who loves a list like I do. And I think this will make her smile when she opens it. Does it look fun like that? Yeah. I was debating whether to put it over here so you could see that part, but I don't think it matters. Pretty cute. How fun is that? Now, don't let me hold you back. If you want to send your friend a whole vision board of how you see them, go for it. But if you want to keep it simple, stick to these 2 elements. Now, don't think I forgot about the envelope. I'm going to use the scraps from the background image that I loved. Plus, I'm going to flip through the magazine one more time, looking for any words that I can include on the front that go with the first word that I picked for the card. Found it. Strokes of Genius. Perfect. Same font, it matches. Having a checklist is a stroke of genius. Now for the stamp. I'm gonna go with this one, Mercury, just because of the colors. Envelope, card. This is a great idea to keep in your back pocket anytime you're looking through a magazine. How many times have you been flipping through your favorite magazine and seen an article or an image that you just wanted to hold on for a little bit longer? Maybe you even wanted to talk about it with your friend. Now you can turn those tear-outs into a fun card. You can even rip out the article and include that in the card as well. Giving you guys one more way to connect. All right, because as I said, I love a vision board, I'm gonna do a second one. Ready, really quick. This says, live your best life. And then this is this awesome picture. I have a smaller piece of cardstock for this one. This one is for my friend who likes knitting. And I want her to live her best life. I love those colors, right? There's something about cutting out magazine clippings that just makes me happy. So cute, so fun. I'm gonna fussy cut this out. Fussy cutting means just to cut around the image. I I would say it's not fussy at all. I don't know why they call it that. I think I'm gonna go Mercury again. I like those colors. Live your best life. As you know, I'm a paper hoarder, so I must warn you, do not get carried away ripping out everything from the magazine. If you're not gonna turn it into a card right away, you probably won't get to it later. And I really don't wanna be your enabler as your desk gets covered with mountains of magazine clippings. Please, please don't let that happen. I promise I won't do it either. It took everything in me to recycle my full collection of Domino magazine that I had been hoarding since I started buying that magazine years ago. The truth is, it had just become clutter in my art room and was no longer sparking joy, so I had to get rid of it. But trust me, from one hoarder to another, I know how hard this is. So this is a perfect way to use those magazines, to love reading them, to send the inspiration on, and then be done with it. I hope this helps you as much as it's helped me. Oh my gosh, I just can't help myself. I'm gonna do one more. And the truth is, if I didn't do it now, I'd never do it. Cute. Okay, for this one, I don't really like that color of that sky, but I do remember there was another picture right after this one. There we go. I knew I saw it twice. Envelope, card. This video is dedicated to my BFF Katrina. We've been friends since 2nd grade, and in high school, we may or may not have spent many a Friday night walking the aisles of Barnes & Noble looking at all the different design books and magazines they had to offer. And this girl is the queen of the vision board. She was basically the Pinterest before there was Pinterest. Love you, Trina. Thanks for always inspiring me.